If you do woodworking, you know there are times when a regular saw is just too aggressive. That's where these Japanese pull saws really shine. This set includes two different saws. There's a dedicated flush cut saw that's perfect for trimming dowels, plugs, and proud joints without damaging the surrounding surface. The flexible blade lets it ride right against the wood, which is especially helpful when you're trying to avoid extra sanding afterward. You also get a double-edged Ryoba saw. One side has coarser teeth for faster rip cuts, while the finer side gives you cleaner cross cuts. That makes it useful for everything from furniture projects to general shop work. Both blades are made from SK5 high carbon steel and teeth cut on the pull stroke, which gives you an excellent control and leaves a surprisingly clean cut with very little effort. The wooden handles feel comfortable in the hand, and because these saws are lightweight, they're easy to maneuver for detailed work or longer projects. I found them useful for trimming dowels, making small joinery cuts, and even doing delicate work where a larger saw would just get in the way. Overall, this is a versatile little set for woodworkers, hobbyists, or anyone who enjoys building and repairing things. They're compact, easy to store, and handy to have around the shop when precision matters.